Hey there! Welcome to Home Improvements. Today is an exciting episode where we transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Today I'm going to show you some quick and easy tips to transform your living space into a brighter and bigger room. These tips are perfect for anyone looking to refresh their home without breaking the bank. Whether you're working with a small bedroom or a dark corner in your living room, these tricks will make a world of difference. You'll be amazed at how a few simple changes can completely alter the feel of a space. Let's dive right in. We'll start with one of the most impactful elements: lighting. Lighting is key when it comes to making a room feel brighter and more inviting. Natural light is your best friend, but there are plenty of ways to enhance it. Swap out those heavy curtains for something light and airy. Heavy drapes can block out precious sunlight, making your room feel darker and smaller. Sheer curtains let in more natural light and instantly brighten up the space. They also add a touch of elegance and softness to the room. Also, don't be afraid to add more lamps. Different types of lighting can create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Floor lamps, table lamps, even string lights, they all add layers of light that make the room feel more open. Experiment with different light sources to find what works best for your space. Next, let's talk about colors. Light colors reflect light, making the room feel brighter. Dark colors can make a space feel cozy, but they also absorb light and can make a room feel smaller. Go for whites, pastels, or light grays on your walls. These colors not only brighten up the room, but also create a serene and calming environment. If you're feeling adventurous, add a pop of color with some bright throw pillows or a vibrant rug. These accents can bring life and energy to your space without overwhelming it. This adds personality without overwhelming the space. Remember, less is often more when it comes to decorating. Mirrors are your best friends. They reflect light and give the illusion of more space. Mirrors can be strategically placed to enhance the natural light in your room. Try placing a large mirror opposite a window. This not only bounces light around the room, but also makes it feel double its size. It's a simple trick with a big impact. You can even use mirrored furniture or decor pieces to add a reflective touch. These items can be both functional and stylish. Now, let's discuss furniture arrangement. Keep it simple and avoid clutter. A clutter-free space feels more open and inviting. Too much furniture can make a room feel cramped and dark. Opt for pieces that are essential and functional. Opt for multifunctional pieces like ottomans with storage or foldable tables. These pieces save space and add versatility to your room. Also, try to keep furniture off the floor. Raised furniture creates a sense of openness and allows light to flow underneath. Use wall-mounted shelves and floating desks to free up floor space and create a more open feel. These solutions are both practical and stylish. Another great tip is to use glass. Glass coffee tables, glass doors, or even glass shelves. They all contribute to a lighter, airier look. Glass furniture doesn't obstruct the view, making the room feel more spacious. Plus, glass pieces add a modern and elegant touch to any decor. Finally, don't forget about plants. Indoor plants add a touch of nature and freshness to any room. They bring in a bit of the outdoors and can make your space feel more vibrant. They not only purify the air, but also make the space feel more alive and inviting. Choose plants that are easy to care for and suit your room's lighting conditions. Choose plants that thrive in low light if your room doesn't get much sunlight. There are plenty of beautiful options that can flourish even in dim conditions. So there you have it. With these simple tips, you can turn any room into a brighter, bigger, and more welcoming space. It's all about making smart choices and small changes that have a big impact. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself. You'll be surprised at how much more enjoyable your space can become. Thanks for watching and happy DIYing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own transformation stories with us.